right, Joseph.
Yes.
That's a crazy harness that you're wearing. What are you out here doing today?
Well, we're going to try to jump out of a plane successfully.
We are jumping out of an airplane, man.
Yeah.
That sounds crazy. What brought you out here to do that?
Bucket list requirement, you know, getting down. The years are coming, and I want to get that in on my list.
Good. We're going to check that off today. It's only about 1% of the population that ever actually comes out to check that thing off their bucket list. So you are part of the 1%.
1%.
Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Are you nervous?
Not right now.
Okay, so it's just me, huh? We're going to go get in this airplane, Joseph, go up to 14,000 feet, jump out, and do 120 miles an hour at the ground.
Ooh.
Before we do you have any famous last words or final confessions?
I regret what I did.
You're not going to need those last words, Joseph. We are coming back. Let's go have some fun, buddy.
Woo-hoo!
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right, you ready for this?
Go ahead.
You are crazy. You ready to get in, get up, get out of this airplane, go have some fun in the sky?
I am.
You're nuts. High five.
High five.
Let's go rock a skydive. Here we go, man.
I think you did a good job.
I think you did a good job. Nice skydive. Pull this one down over the camera.
Oh, gotcha.
Hands up. Pull the left one down. We'll spin around the other way.
Oh my God.
Good job, man. Good.
That's what it feels like, huh?
Good job.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Nice.
Stand up. I got you. Stand up. I got you. Bud. What do you think, man?
I think you did a great job.
You did awesome. You have fun?
I did.
You did a great skydive. Next time I'll let you open the parachute. Come see me again. Woo!